Hi guys, it's me, Mrs. Matos. So today what I'm showing you is just real quick how to go ahead and create a PowerPoint. So what you're going to do is you're going to start in your student portal. The first step is to go ahead into Office 365. When Office 365 comes up, you're going to see you have all these options. Now, if you couldn't get to this screen and it wanted you to log in, then what you need to do is you need to put your student ID at the little at sign, students dot dadeschools.net. Then you put your password and it should then bring you here. Once you're here to this screen, we're going to go ahead and click PowerPoint. Once you get here, you're going to go ahead and choose blank, new blank presentation. Now, once you get here, you see, since we're doing an all about me one, we don't want to have our slide divided like this. You could just click here and then press delete if you wanted to, but let's say maybe it's not working. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here and we're going to pick new slide. So you're going to select the new slide. You'll see there's lots of options, and we'll learn about these options because they're good for other things. But for today, we want to do a blank one. So we're going to choose blank. Then we're going to go ahead and choose add slide. Now that we did that, we're going to click on that first one because we don't like it, and we're going to click delete or backspace right now. So now it disappeared. So now I'm back with my blank slate, okay, my one PowerPoint. First thing we want to do is we want to name this presentation. Okay, so right now it says presentation 2, maybe yours says 1, maybe yours says 8 because you've done so many. Well, guess what? We want to name it. So all you have to do is click right on it and it automatically highlights. We don't have to press delete, you can, or you could just type right over it. So because this is specifically for our all about me, we're going to type in all about me. And we don't even have to put our names. All right, so now we've done that. Now we're going to come back here and let's say we wanted to first add some pictures. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to Insert. We're going to go to Pictures and we're going to go to Bing Pictures. And for me, I love Starbucks, right? So I'm going to type in Starbucks clip art. I like the way clip art comes because it comes kind of cartoony and I think it's cute and I can choose the ones that I want. So I'm going to choose, let's see, and I can look through all the pictures and ooh, this one looks pretty good. This is the one that I actually chose. It's actually more like a real life one and I choose Insert. You see right here, Insert. Now sometimes it does take a little bit of time to populate, so that's okay. We're just going to wait for it to populate. And we'll just wait. One of the other things that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to add a text box so that we can type in our name. So as soon as this comes up, we can do some other things. I usually don't like to try to do other things while it's loading because then you can bombard your computer and it doesn't know what to do. So just wait and be patient. So here is my picture. Remember those words came and I don't want them there. So I just click there and I'm going to delete them now. So there it goes. I deleted it. Now I don't want maybe my Starbucks in the center of my page. So now that I see this little 4 square looking thing, I'm going to move it over here. Now, if I want to change the size of it, I can grab it, make it bigger, and I can make it smaller, whatever I want to do. Okay, now let's say we want to put our name on this. Okay, so what I said, we're on Insert already. I can tell I'm on the Insert menu because there's a red line under it. And I'm going to move all the way over to Text Box. Okay, that allows us to type in text, which is words. So I click there and it says click to add text. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Click right here. And now I'm going to erase this. So I press delete or backspace. And I'm going to write my name because it's me. So I'm going to just go ahead and I'll put Jessica, well, I'll put Mrs. Matos because I'm the teacher. Mrs. Matos. All right, so now I like that. Now you say, well, you know, I want it to be bigger, right? So what we can do is you can highlight it. All right, you see it? Now look at what automatically came up. I can choose from here what automatically came up, or I could go up here. It's the same thing, so that's okay. So I'll just go up here and I can look at the different font. Now, it takes a minute sometimes to come up and you say, ooh, which font do I like? What am I feeling like today? And ooh, I like this Bradley Hands. I think it's pretty. And maybe I want to make it way bigger. I want my name to be real big, 36. All right, so now I have my name here. Now maybe I want to move it. Maybe I don't want it in the middle. Maybe I'm going to put something else there. Maybe I do want it in the middle and I won't. Maybe this is my school's laptop and I don't want to put any personal pictures on the school's laptop. So that's fine. So I'm just going to put Mrs. Matos real big in the middle. And I can pull it like this and make it bigger if I wanted. I could do it that way. However I want to do it, I can make it bigger. I can move it. Sometimes you just have to click around and get it going how you want it. I think what I'm going to do is make it even bigger. So I'll go up here to font size right here. Font size, and let's make it 40. But see, I want one line. I'm going to make it wider. And there it is. Maybe I'll move it up a little bit. There we go. Move it up, Mrs. Matos. There we go. All right. So now I just would continue adding pictures. That's what you can do. So again, we would go to Insert, click on Insert, right? And we would go here to Pictures, right? And then now if you had something from your computer that you wanted to add, if this was your personal computer, you could say this device. And then you could choose in your file which pictures you want. But we're going to stay with Bing Pictures. We said maybe family, right? Now, if I type in family and not family pic art, this is like, I get like actually real pictures. So I could put this family, but it's not my family. So I probably wouldn't want to do that. So maybe I would do this family because then it's more accurate saying I do care about family, but it's not necessarily my family. So maybe I'm going to pick that one. I could insert it. Again, it might take some time depending on how slow the internet is going because these are internet pictures. So we'll wait for this to populate. What I'll do is as soon as this populates, you'll just continue adding pictures and you'll make this page look beautiful. So it's there, I'm happy, Mrs. Matos, and a little family. Maybe I would want to look for a teacher clip art and I could add it on there. Now notice my designer didn't really come up with different ideas. Sometimes it does automatically and sometimes it doesn't. I think it depends sometimes on the pictures that you choose. But it's okay because I like the way I'm doing it and I can make it bigger. Okay, by clicking on it, and I can go like this. Now let's say you wanted to tilt it, like you could make it cute and put it this way, but notice it kind of covered my name, right? I could make the coffee look like it's gonna spill, right? And I could tilt it. Oh no, my coffee's spilling. Okay, but I'm not going to. All right, because I want it to be nice because this is gonna be for a good grade and this is gonna be kind of like a class all about us. So I'm so excited about that, by the way. All right, so let's say you've added lots and lots of pictures and you're ready now to share it with me. So what you would do is you come over here to this share. Does everybody see? It's like a little exit out of the door kind of thing. So you're going to click on share. And then what you're going to do, people you can specify can view. This is what you usually always want to do so that it's only the people you choose, not everybody in the system. You're going to allow editing when you share it with me. Eventually, you guys can work together and you can allow editing together. Or if you wanted to send this to your friend, you could, but I wouldn't recommend allow editing because just like, well, in Minecraft, I'm familiar, like people could change it if you allow them to edit it. And sometimes people don't like that. So, but because you're sharing it with me, you can allow editing in case I need to fix some of your grammatical errors before I make the final copy. So then we would apply right here. And then you're going to type in my name. which is Jessica J. And then you're going to see I come up right here. Okay, so you would click on me right here, and that's it. And then you would just hit send. And it says link sent. And boom, that's it. Now you went ahead and you've already sent this to me, and you can hear the little noise. I just got an email. So that's pretty much what you would do. That's how you share it and send it with me. So I hope you understood this video, and I hope that this helps you learn how to do PowerPoint. I'm super excited. I'll see you later. Bye.